Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. Today's project idea is this Father's Day card. I got this design in the image section right in Design Space. Grab your trimmer and open up the sidearm. When you cut out your paper, trim it about ½ inch larger than your project so you don't waste any cardstock. Use your brayer to make sure that your cardstock is stuck really well to the mat. For cards, you'll want to use your scoring stylus to make crisp fold lines. Just open up clamp A, push down the scoring stylus until you hear a little click, and then close the clamp. When you're ready to take your paper off the mat, remember to keep the paper flat on the table and roll the mat away from the paper. This will prevent it from curling up. The great thing about using cardstock is there is barely any weeding. Almost all of the parts that I don't need stayed on the mat. Fold both parts of the card on the score lines and then stick them together. I'm just using a regular glue stick today because my kids are going to draw on the inside, but you can also use Mod Podge or your favorite adhesive. Well, thanks for joining me today, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.